Hey everyone, welcome back to Alberto's Adventures, and today I'll be showing you the 2-queen remodeled room at the Wynn in Las Vegas, Nevada. So here's the entrance. And there's the controls for the lighting and the privacy. So there's that. And just like in the king room, it's the same entryway, same flooring. Now in this room over to the left, we have the restroom. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that. I did change the fixtures on here and the artwork and the wallpapering as well. Lighting fixture. It's really nice, really high ceilings, so it's nice that there's nice high ceilings. It makes everything feel bigger and more grand. Dual sinks, towels, tissue, there's the hair dryer, more towels. The tub, and then the private water closet area here. You also have the magnifying mirror as well as power outlets, so you can plug in some of your styling tools there. It's a really nice look. Okay, so out of the restroom here, it's the little hallway. Gigantic mirror. And on the opposite we have the closet. So let's check that out. Okay, so here's a closet. You have your hangers, ironing board, your luggage rack, extra shelving there maybe for your shoes, safe, and extra bedding. It's a really nice sized closet with lighting in there, so it's really nice. And now onto the main room. So as you can see, there's really high ceilings in here. It's really nice. Now in this case, we have the ice bucket and the snacks here. And then here you have your glassware and the mini bar, the mini fridge, which of course nobody likes to touch. But it's really nice. And then there's a nice large table, 2 chairs, television, there's a telephone, there's an Alexa. So yeah, so that's the one side of the room. So you can see the entrance over there. So there's extra storage there. And more power outlets right down there. Another huge mirror on this side. And then the AC unit. And then the 2 beds. Really plush, really comfortable bed. You have a nice like velvet plush on this side and a nice bench on the other. Some artwork, more artwork on top of the headboards. And it's like one continuous headboard. It's like a leather material that goes across there. You have another drawer for storage. You have a little tablet, more outlets, the telephone, this nice lamp, and that's pretty much it. So again, this is the 2-queen remodeled room at the Wynn in Las Vegas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.